Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a deviled egg tray. First, select a flat, stable base, such as a wooden board or a ceramic platter, at least 12 inches by 8 inches. Next, gather a non-slip material, like a silicone baking mat or a thin rubber sheet, which will prevent your eggs from sliding. Finally, have a ruler and a marker ready to create your egg placement guide. This simple setup ensures your deviled eggs stay perfectly in place for serving. Now, let's create the individual egg holders. Place your non-slip mat on the base. Using a small, round cookie cutter, about 1 3/4 inches in diameter, or a similar object, gently press to mark the positions for your eggs. Carefully cut out these circles from the non-slip material. Make sure the openings are snug, so each deviled egg sits securely without wobbling, providing a professional presentation. With your egg holders ready, it's time to assemble the tray. Lay the cut non-slip mat precisely onto your chosen base. If the mat tends to shift, you can use a small amount of food-safe adhesive, like silicone sealant, to secure it firmly in place. Allow any adhesive to dry completely, which might take up to 24 hours. Then, test the tray with a few deviled eggs to ensure they fit perfectly and remain stable during transport. Finally, for the finishing touches and serving. Before its first use, thoroughly clean your new deviled egg tray with warm, soapy water and let it air dry. When serving, gently place each deviled egg into its designated holder. This method ensures your eggs are beautifully displayed and protected. For transport, keep the tray flat to prevent any movement, guaranteeing your delicious deviled eggs arrive perfectly intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.